sister's so strong.
What happened to this?
Because my sister is so tall.
What do you mean by yawn?
Sleepy like this.
And then, in the morning?
Drags like this. Daddy.
So time for you to sleep now.
But
You see, Bisan is yawning. Are you fixing Bisan's hair, Bayan?
yeah. Mommy, he loves me.
Ah?
He loves me.
Bayan loves you? Ah, you're so sweet.
Me. I'm big.
Why you're bigger than Bayan? Ay, Bisan.
I'm gonna eat a lot of tomatoes.
You eat a lot of tomatoes.
And 100 of them. But no, I can't finish all them. Because I'm really big. Right? And me too. Mommy. Mom.
Yes, what?
Why there's a green tomato? Ew, it's gross. Ew, bleh.